Here I've got Samsung Galaxy J Fold Plus, and let me show you how to activate Do Not Disturb mode on the following device. So at first, let's go with the quick method. Simply slide down the upper bar and tap on Do Not Disturb. And that's it. From now on, this mode is on, it's active. If you'd like to switch it off, do the same thing, just tap on this icon, and now you deactivated DND mode. You can also personalize this mode and activate it as well through the settings. Simply open list of all applications, then find and pick the settings. Here you should go to notifications, and simply by tapping on this switcher, you can activate Do Not Disturb mode. Then you can switch it off, doing the same thing. But if you will tap on the left edge of the icon, you will be able to personalize this mode. You can schedule it, simply click on Turn on Scheduled, and now you can select the days. Let's pick, for example, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And then let's pick the period of time. It can be 10 to 6. Click on Done to save it. And from now on every Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday between 10 and 6 next day, DND mode will be active. You can obviously switch off this rule simply by tapping here. So let me go back, and you can also allow some exceptions. Click on Allow Exceptions, and now you can pick alarms, media, touch sounds. So let me pick, for example, this one. You can also allow calls from contacts only, from favorite contacts only. Let me pick contacts only, and you can do exactly the same thing with messages. So let me pick favorite contacts only. Then you can also activate the repeat colors function, so it will allow call when it's received for the same phone number more than once within 15 minutes. So click here to do it. You can also allow notifications from calendar and events or reminders. So it's all up to you. You can personalize this mode. You can pick which function you would like to have in it. And obviously you can simply switch it on and off whenever you want to. So that would be all. This is how you can use and personalize Do Not Disturb mode in your Samsung Galaxy J4 Plus. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.